What's up, guys? Welcome back. No, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I want to give you guys just a small little update on my Civic. Well, I have been daily driving it to work, 100 miles a day. Currently sits at 165,000 miles, and overall it's doing great. I get, over 38 miles per gallon on it, and it's doing all right except for one thing. It has been making this noise whenever I decelerate. It mainly happens in first gear. Like if I get up to about 3,000 RPM and if I let off the throttle, it makes a loud kind of a grinding, but kind of like a grumbling noise. I'm not sure how to explain it, so I'm definitely about to give you guys a point of view driving experience on this car. But first, let me I'll give you a quick walk around. This is how she sits today. Still pretty clean. Definitely is a 165,000 mile vehicle, but the engine is all stock except for the DC Sports header. Still have the stock OEM muffler on it, stock tip. So yeah, this is how she sits today. Yeah, I need your guys' help. So I need to see if anybody has experienced this problem before, or if anybody has any idea what is happening with my car. So please, check out the clip of me actually driving this car so you can hear the sound. First, like I said, I'll just give you guys a walk around. How she sits today. Pretty clean. This is my daily driver. Like I said, I put lots of miles on it. Manual gearbox preservation society, for anybody that's in the know. All right, let's start her up. Okay, like I said, it mainly does it in first gear. So, give you guys a little taste of that first. Let me get going here. Okay, I'm gonna take it up to about 3,000 RPM, then let off. I sure hope you guys could hear that. Yeah, and it sometimes will happen in second gear, sometimes it won't. Sometimes it's not so, oh, listen to that. Does anybody have any idea what that noise is? It seems to have nothing to do with the steering. If it's making the noise and I take it out of gear, put it in neutral. Oh, and it also does in reverse. I want you guys to listen to this. All right, ready? Okay, watch. It's weird. It kind of even does it more on a hill. This is pretty flat right here. Okay, I don't know if you guys could hear that or not, but let me give you another demonstration in first gear. See, if I put in the clutch or put the car in neutral, it doesn't do it. All right, so let me see if I can get it to do it in second gear. Second gear, accelerate, and deaccelerate. It's not as abrupt, but you guys probably couldn't have heard, but it did it in a little bit there. Let me try again. So it's not so hardcore in second gear. So I need your guys' help. Please, if you have any idea why my car is making this noise, if you have any idea what it could be, maybe you've experienced this yourself. I've replaced the wheel bearings in this car. All 4 wheel bearings have been replaced. I've replaced one axle, the driver's side axle. The brakes are basically all new on this car. Obviously I don't think it's the brakes, but I'm just letting you guys know. So if you have any other idea what this could be, please guys, leave a comment below and give me suggestions. I'm willing to look into, you know, do research on things, look into it, because I want to get this thing fixed. It's I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road, or if I take this to a track day, you know, if my car is having trouble on deceleration, well, that's obviously not going to work. So please guys, pop a comment if you know what's going on or if you have an idea. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you in the next one.